Hi, in this video we will discuss few important questions from the topic ratio and proportion. These questions are important for every competitive exam. In a park, there are rabbits and pigeons in the ratio 4:9. If legs are counted, the total number of legs are 340. Find the number of rabbits. Here rabbits and pigeons are in the ratio 4:9. Okay, and how many legs does a rabbit has? It is 4. And how many legs does a pigeon has? 2. Okay, total number of legs are 340. So total number of legs of rabbit is what? It is 4 into 4, 16, and for pigeon it is 9 into 2, 18. So 16 is to 18 is the ratio of number of legs of rabbit and pigeon. Okay, so what is the total number of units here? 16 plus 18, it is 34 units. So this is equal to 340. Total number of legs of rabbits and pigeon is 340. So what is 1 unit? It is 10. 1 unit is equal to 10. So find the number of rabbits. How many rabbits are there? 4 units. Okay. It is 4 into 10. It is 40. So 40 rabbits are there. Okay. Next one. Arvind, Bilal and Carmen invest 49,000 towards a business. Arvind invests 5,000 more than Bilal and Bilal invests 4,000 more than Carmen. Out of a total profit of 98,000, how much does Bilal receive? See, this is Arvind, this is Bilal, this is Carmen. Okay. So here Arvind invests 5,000 more than Bilal. So this is 5,000 plus Bilal. 5,000 more than Bilal. So 5,000 plus B. Okay. And Bilal invest here B is Bilal. Okay. The amount invested by Bilal. Okay. And Bilal invests 4,000 more than Carmen. So Bilal invests 4,000 more. So 4,000 plus C plus the amount invested by Carmen. And out of a total profit of 98,000. So the amount invested by Carmen is C. Okay. See here B is equal to 4,000 plus C. So we will substitute here. We'll get 5,000 plus 4,000 plus C. It is 9,000 plus C. Okay. So what is the total amount invested by these three people? It is 9,000 plus 4,000. It is 13,000 plus 3C is equal to what is the amount? Is equal to 49,000. Okay. So 3C is equal to 49 minus 13,000. It is 36,000. So C is equal to 12,000. So the amount invested by the Carmen is equal to 12,000. Okay. So we will find out the ratio of A, B and C. See, for the A, what is the amount he invested? It is 9,000 plus C. It is 21,000. Okay. For B, what is the amount? It is 4,000 plus 12,000. It is 16,000. And for C, it is 12,000. These are the amounts they invested. Okay. So what would be the profit? Profit will also be distributed in the same ratio that they invested. Okay. So the ratio will be 21 is to 16 is to 12. This is the profit ratio. Okay. And the total profit is told as 98,000. Okay. What is the total profit in units? It is 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. It is 49. 49 units is equal to 98,000. Okay. So 1 unit is equal to what? It is 2,000. 1 unit is equal to 2,000. How much does Bilal receive? Bilal is middle one, 16 units. So 16 units is what? It is 16 into 2,000. It is 32,000. Okay, fourth option. Next one, if k plus 3, k plus 2, 3k minus 7 and 2k minus 3 are in proportion in the given order, then what will be the minimum value of the fourth proportion? See, if 4 numbers A, B, C and D are in proportion, then A by B is equal to C by D. Okay, if 4 numbers are given. So here 4 numbers are given. Those are k plus 3, k plus 2. So we will apply this one. Okay, k plus 3 by k plus 2 is equal to 3k minus 7 by 2k minus 3. Okay, now we will cross multiply. We'll get k plus 3 into 2k minus 3 is what? 2k square plus 6k minus 3k minus 9 is equal to 3k square plus 6k minus 7k minus 14. Okay, here 6k and 6k will be cancelled. Here we'll get k square and here we'll get 4k plus 5. Okay, so k square minus 4k minus 5 is equal to 0. Here we have to split the middle term. It is k square minus 5k plus k minus 5 is equal to 0. So here we'll get k minus 5 into k plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, here we got two terms, k is equal to 5 or k is equal to minus 1. Okay, we'll substitute these two terms. Okay, these two numbers. What is the minimum value of the fourth proportion? Fourth proportion is this one. We have to find the minimum value of it. Okay, if k is equal to 5, what is the value? It is 5 into 2, 10 minus 3, it is 7. Okay, if k is equal to minus 1, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, it is minus 5. So here minus 5 is the minimum. So minus 5 is the answer. Second option. Next one. If rupees 936 is divided among P, Q and R in the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 4. See, it is divided in the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 4. This is P, Q and R instead of this one. Okay. The ratio was 1 is to 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. Okay. How do we solve this? Take the LCM. LCM is 12. So we will multiply these three numbers, this ratio into 12. Okay. We will multiply with the LCM. We will get 6 is to 4 is to 3. Okay. So this was done. This has been in this ratio 2 is to 3 is to 4. The amount is being distributed. Okay, instead of the second one. Okay, so what is the gain of R? See here, in this R got 4 units in the above one, in the first one, first ratio, and R got 3 units in the second ratio. So we have to find what is the gain. Okay, in the first ratio, what is the total units? It is 5, 9. Okay, 9 units is equal to what? 936. Okay, in the first ratio, what is the total amount? It is 3 plus 2, 5 plus 4, 9. So 9 units is equal to 936. So here 1 unit is equal to 104. So what is the amount R received? R received, it is 104 into 4. It is 416. Okay, and in the second ratio, what is the total amount? Total number of units. Okay, it is 10 plus 3, 13 units is equal to 936. Okay, so here 1 unit is equal to what? 936 by 13. Okay, 13 into 7, 91. 13 into 2, 26. So 1 unit is equal to 72. So how much amount did R receive in the second ratio? It is 3 units. So 3 units is equal to 72 into 3. It is 216. Okay. See, in the first ratio, R got 416. In the second ratio, our amount is 216. See, this one first ratio, the amount was distributed. In the second ratio, the amount was not distributed. So, in the first ratio, R got how much more? It is 416 minus 216. It is 200 more he got. So, first option. Next one. If 4% of A plus B, 4% of A plus B is equal to 28% of A minus B. Okay, we'll simplify 4 into 7 here. Okay, here it will be 6A is equal to 8B. So here A by B is equal to, 8 by 6. A by B is equal to 8 by 6. It is 4 by 3. Okay, A is to B ratio is 4 is to 3. Next one, two numbers P and Q are such that the sum of 10% of P and 5% of Q is 1/4 of the sum of this one. Okay, Here 10% of P, 10% of P and 5% of Q is 1/4 of the sum of 15% of P plus 25% of Q. Find the ratio of P is to Q. Here we can cancel out all the hundreds. Okay. And in the numerator also we can take 5 common. So here 5 into 2P plus Q is equal to 5/4 into 3P plus 5Q. Okay. 5 and 5 will be cancelled. Okay. If you cross multiply, 8P plus 4Q is equal to 3P plus 5Q. Here we'll get 5P is equal to Q. So P by Q is equal to 1:5. Second option. Next one. The price of a jacket and handbag are in the ratio of 3:2. 3:2. This is jacket and this is handbag. If the jacket cost 600 more than the handbag, see the jacket cost 600 more. What is the difference in these two units? In these two ratio numbers, 3 minus 2, it is 1. So 1 unit is equal to what? What is the difference in the price? It is 600. Okay, simple. It is 1 unit is equal to 600. So what is the price of the handbag? See, price of the handbag is what? It is 2 units. 2 into 600, it is 1200. Second option. Next one, find 3 numbers in the ratio 6:4:10. 6:4:10 such that sum of their squares is equal to 3800. Okay, we can further simplify as 3:2:5. And the sum of their squares is what? What is the squares? Okay, it is 9:4:25. And if you add these all, what will it be? 9 plus 4, 13 plus 25, it is 38. So 38 units is equal to 3800. Okay, 38 units is equal to 3800. Sum of their squares is equal to 3800. So here 1 unit is equal to 3800 divided by 38, it is 100. So here 1 unit is equal to 100. These are the units. Okay. So what are the numbers? It is 9 into 100, 900 and 400 and 2500. What are these numbers? These are the squares. Okay, these are the squares. So what are the original numbers? Square root of 900, 30, square root of 400, 20 and 50. Okay, these are the numbers 30, 20 and 50. Fourth option. Next one, the number of books on mathematics, physics and chemistry in a university library is in the ratio 8:5:9. There is a proposal to increase these books by 10%, 5% and 5% respectively. Okay, these are mathematics books, these are physics and these are chemistry. Okay, they are in the ratio 8:5:9. And these books are increased by 10% in mathematics and 5% in physics and 5% in chemistry. Okay, what will be the ratio of the number of books after increment? Okay, what are the increased mathematics books? Okay, see if 10% mathematics books are increased, what is the number? See if 100% is 8, what is 10%? It is 0.8. Okay, so 0.8 mathematics books are increased. Okay, and 5% physics books are increased. So if 100% is 5, see if 100% is equal to 5, then what is 5%? Okay, see here 100% is 5, that means 10% is what? It is 0.5. Okay, and divide by 2. So you'll get 5% is equal to 0.25. Okay, here 0.25 is increased in physics. And in chemistry, 5% is increased. So how much is increased? See 100% is 9. Okay, so what is 10% here? It is 0.9. And what is 5%? It is 0.45. So 0.45 is increased in chemistry. So what is the total maths books now? It is 8 plus 0.8, it is 8.8, and in physics it is 5.25, and in chemistry it is 9 plus 0.45, it is 9.45. Okay, it is in decimals. So you multiply these all numbers with 100. You'll get 880 is to 525 is to 945. If you simplify, you'll get 5 into 176 and 5 into 105 is to 5 into 189. Okay, this is third option. Next one, 152 is divided into three parts such that 1/5 of the first part. Okay, we will assume the three parts as A, B and C. 1/5 of the first part and 1/3 of the second part and 1/11 of the third part. These three are equal. Okay, what is the sum of the second and third part? Okay, we have to find what is B plus C here. Okay, now here we will take these two terms. What is it? It is A by 5 is equal to B by 3. What is A by B here? It is 5 by 3. Okay, now we will take the second two terms. Okay, it is B by 3 is equal to C by 11. Then B by C is equal to 3 by 11. Here we are finding the ratio of A is to B is to C. Okay, now here we got A is to B is equal to 5 is to 3 and B is to C is 3 is to 11. See, this both are equal. So we will take 5 is to 3 is to 11. Okay, what are the total number of units here? 19 units. Okay, 19 units is equal to 152. 19 units is equal to 152. So 1 unit is equal to what? 8. Okay, 1 unit is equal to 8. We have to find B plus C. What is B here? B is 3 and C is 11. Okay, it is 3 plus 11. It is 14 units. Okay, it is 14 into 8. It is 112. Okay, first option. Next one. A box contains 25 paisa and 10 paisa coins in the ratio 6 is to 5. Okay, the ratio is 6 is to 5, amounting to 2 to 6. Okay, so here 25 paisa coins and 10 paisa coins are there. Okay, what is the value of 25 paisa coin? It is 1/4 rupee. Okay, and what is the value of 10 paisa coin? It is 1/10 rupee. Okay, and the ratio is given as 6 is to 5. We will assume as 6x and 5x. Okay, and the total amount is given as 226 rupees. So this 25 paisa coins and 10 paisa coins total amounts to 226 rupees. So we have to find the number of 10 paisa coins. So here what is the amount of 25 paisa coins? What is the total amount of 25 paisa coins? So what we will do? Here 6x into 1 by 4. Okay, this is the total amount of 25 paisa coins. It is what? It is 3x by 2. Okay. And what is the total amount of 10 paisa coins? What is the total amount of 10 paisa coins? It is 5x into 1 by 10. It is x by 2. Okay. So what is the total amount of the money? What is the total amount of money? We will add these two. We'll get 4x by 2. It is 2x. Okay. And what is the total amount of money given? 226 rupees. We will equate these two. 2x is equal to 226 rupees. So x is equal to 113. Okay. And what is asked? What is the number of 10 paisa coins? What is the number of 10 paisa coins? We assumed as 5x. These are 10 paisa coins. So 5x is equal to 5 into 113. It is 565. So the number of 10 paisa coins are 565 coins. Okay. It is second option. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.